So I'm going to demonstrate that how you fit the device on slit lamp. So there are a few steps. First of all, it can be fitted on any of your eyepiece. Preferably you can prefer the right side of the eyepiece. First, that what you need to do is just rotate it anti-clockwise till it gets locked. So there is no further rotation if you see there. Now bring your device. And always remember, do not directly go and try to fit the device. Okay, the way you have to do is you have to tilt it. And this is the lower border of the eyepiece. So that should be first engaged with this area, which is expandable. So if you see, just carefully see the way I am putting it, it is tilted. I have engaged this area. Now I straighten it up and push it inside. Now if you see, this goes. And when you want to remove it, try to hold your eyepiece in this area so that it does not come out. And then slowly you can bring out in any way. Just bring. So these are the rare slit lamp, which have very narrow diameter. So I would tell you that how to use ring. This ring is used only for these kind of slit lamps. So again, the same maneuver goes. You put it anti-clockwise, and once it stops, then try to just expand this ring which goes over it. And once it goes over it, then you take the device similar way that I told you, and then the device goes like this. So this I'm going to show you another variation. This slit lamp has a little wider diameter of eyepiece with the ring. So the ring goes out and in, so you can push the ring inside, and then try to hold the ring partially. You can see that my both the fingers are holding that ring partially, and then the same way you go down, then again push it. Not to go to the complete extent of the ring. Try to hold the ring. Once your work is over, then you can slowly remove the device. Now I'm going to show you that how you align and attach your smartphone on MII Ant Cam device. So as soon as you have already fitted on the slit lamp eyepiece MII Ant Cam device, now this is your phone. You have already have your application, which is called MII Ant Cam app. So once your app is there and you have already entered patient's detail, I'm not entering the patient's detail because that is in a separate video. So if you see, this is the camera icon, and click on the camera icon, click on the MII Ant Cam scan, and then you can go, and your magnet is already in place. Where it has to be placed already shown in a different video, so that you know. So a magnet is already there. So try to align your camera, primary camera, and try to slightly adjust it. And now if you see this mobile is pretty well in place, and even if you move here and there, mobile stability is quite well. And now you can see the picture, your iris, and anterior segment, anterior segment is here. And if you want to zoom it, you can zoom it from here. And if you want to zoom it from the slit lamp, that also is an option. So both ways you can do it. And now I'm going to click. I can click anywhere outside the circle. So once it clicks, it is saving your images in the gallery and the file of that particular patient. So for example, this has been saving. Now if you see, all these 5 images are saved here. And in case you want to give a print command or something, then you can go and choose your images here. Up to 4 images you can choose in this iOS app. And as soon as you give a print command, see, these are the nice images are already there as a print, and your all details are already there on top. And then this is a sharing button. Then you can share whichever media you want to share. That's it. And once you want to remove this phone, it's not a big task. You can just remove it like this. So it's very easy assembly and stable assembly. So there should not be any kind of forceful maneuver which is required in attachment and detachment of the smartphone. So sometimes see patient, they have aqueous flare or aqueous cells and you want to record it. So anterior chamber reaction, basically if you want to record it, then rather than going through our application, because application does not allow video recording, you can just directly hit your camera icon and go on the video mode. And once you have your video, then you can zoom it so that you can zoom it, make the slit really thin. So in case this patient is normal patient, but in case somebody has aqueous flare, then you can definitely make a short video here so that you can really show reactions to your patient. And at any point, if you want to find focus, you can just click there. For example, that part, I think all of us know that wherever you click, you have a better focusing.